This is OnePlus Pad, and today I will show how you can enable the Dolby Atmos feature on this device. So, actually you are not able to activate it since, well, it is by default enabled, and in order to be able to toggle it on or off respectively, you will need to connect some external audio device to it. Should it be speakers or the speaker or the headphones. Anyway, you can just launch settings, enter sound, and then open the Dolby Atmos page, and for example select the sound profile. And if you will have your earbuds or earphones connected, you will be also able to change the environment profile as well. But that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.